Hey everyone, it's Adam Ratliff of Adam's So Fun, and you are here with me in my car. Oh my gosh, I just got home, 7 hours ago from 8 days at Handi Quilter Academy, and it was beyond fantastic. I had so much fun. I met so much people, or so many people, so much people. Again, I'm half asleep. It was great to finally put some like real faces to Facebook faces and Instagram faces, but wow, was it a whirlwind of a time. We had so many students, which were all great and happy to be there, you know, where everybody was happy to see each other, and it was just a great experience. But while I was there, and don't worry, I'm not driving, I'm in a drive-through. I woke up and said I'm getting McDonald's, although I don't know why I need to eat for the next month, because if you've never been to a Handi Quilter event, they feed you enough food for your life. Oh my gosh, there was so much food. You definitely aren't going to go hungry at an event with Handi Quilter. I'm going to get off on a tangent with all the food. But no, it was just such a fabulous time. Educators were finally together, and people were finally together, and it was just what I needed. Just what I needed, just what everybody needed to kind of kickstart our new post-COVID. But while I was there, I made a few videos about like what was happening. I didn't take many pictures. I'm gonna have to reach out to people and see if I can get some. But I did I did a video about like showing the classrooms and hands-on, and the steps that Handi Quilter takes to just go above and beyond a normal event. It was, 130 people was the max that we could fit, for COVID deadline or COVID restrictions and such, and we pushed the max. Scene change. So now I'm in a different car, and I'm at an event in Dallas. But I just want to say, I will make this short. It was such a great event, such a great time for everyone. If you ever have the opportunity to attend Handi Quilter Academy, it's a must-see at least once. I went there as a consumer, and now I've been there as an instructor, and wow, they work your instructors hard, I'll let you know that. But we're all just happy to be there. So much fun. Again, I was in the designer track, and there were 2 classes of designer because a lot of people want to learn how to use it. And our class, I was teaching with Jen Eskridge, who is the brand manager for Quiltable. And if you haven't seen Quiltable yet, it's quiltable.com, so you can purchase your Pro Stitcher or any automated system designs there. But we were laughing so hard every day. Even when it was stressful, we would just throw in a joke and we'd start laughing, or we would just be our dumb selves and start laughing. So such a great time. I will pop over into the other videos so you can kind of see what Academy is like. You have a special guest star, Micki Chapelaire, and she will be joining me because I was like, hey, let's have a chat about Academy. She's a lot of fun too, because like me, she doesn't take herself too seriously. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. I think like I said, I taught designer. I think I might start doing some designer videos since I don't have a long arm set up in Palm Springs yet. But yeah, stay tuned. Who knows what's going to happen on the channel. We'll see y'all soon. Bye. All right, so I said I would come and show you around Academy, and so that is what I'm doing. Let me flip the camera around. This is one of the hands-on classes, but I will switch the camera around so I can show you what's going on. All right, so we're here at Handi Quilter Academy. This is, like I said, one of the hands-on classes. So we have 28 machines. That means there's 20 students, one person to machine. They come in here and have hands-on education. So this is, I don't know which track. I think this is part of the free motion track. We also have 3 stationary machines, the Capris. You can see the educators have brought quilts. There's not a ton, because we all have to travel with them. They're heavy. But this is just one of the 2 hands-on rooms. I don't want to get you really dizzy, but we're gonna go through the secret door. We're gearing up because we're about to start track 2. So this is the second hands-on room. I believe this is the one they're using for the Pro Stitcher class and advanced Pro Stitcher maybe. I'm not 100% sure because I'm in the designer classrooms and that means I stay in front of a computer. But we're all digitizing and learning how to make our own incredible digitized designs. These are some quilts from the other educators. I know one's from Kim, one's from Kay. I'm not sure who the other ones are from. But another hands-on classroom. So, you know, I'm always talking about Handi Quilter and how they, I went with them because of their education. So this is one other form of education that they offer. Handi Quilter Academy happens every year, although they had to skip last year, COVID. But yeah, it's such a great experience. When I came as a consumer a few years ago, it was so cool to be around, you know, 200 other like-minded individuals. I think last year before the COVID hit, there were supposed to be something like almost 300 people had signed up. So it's just another way to get you in front of your machines, comfortable with your machines, comfortable with the software. You know, so this time it's a track system. So you would have signed up and you pick a track. So ooh, that was close. Ooh, gosh. God, that was an ugly face. I can never see myself when I record, but I'm holding the camera and I'm not using tripod, so, I'm so stupid. But, so yeah, this time there was a track system. So you signed up for free motion, beginner Pro Stitcher, intermediate Pro Stitcher, or designer. So I know our designer track, because there were a lot of people that really wanted to use the designer, learn how to use designer. It's intro to designer, so there's people of every kind of skill level. And the classes start and kind of grow off each other. So we start like day one, we're just going over basics. And then day two, we kind of jump into using buttons more and learning how to digitize your own, your own, not catalog. Your own collection, digitizing your own collection. That's taught by Jen Eskridge. You know, Kim is teaching how to maximize using the draw tools, and Megan, of course, is doing what Megan does best. Well, she does everything best because she's Megan Best. If you don't know her, bestquilter.com, because she is the originator of the long arm embroidery scene. So she is teaching that here, and I am teaching kind of some different tools, how to use some different tools, but also how to create your own custom edge, which I think is great because I can make any quilt not perfect, custom for the person that it's on. Micki just sent me a text, so I want to go pop out, pick her up, so I can share Micki with you all because I'm always talking about her. But yeah, so this is some of the stuff that's happening. I'll be right back with Micki. Okay, I'm so stupid. I'm already laughing just because it is the one, the only Micki Chapelier. Chapelier. You're good. Chapstick. Lip chap.
Yeah. Susie
Lip chap. Lip chap. So Micki is another educator. I talk about her all the time because she is
We're best friends.
She's as tomfoolery as I am, I think. I think that's why we like each other. Why do you think? Because we got stuck working with each other.
Yeah.
She got stuck with me.
We're the odd men out, so like we really mesh good together. Yeah, that's what it is.
I think we have a lot of fun together, and we don't take ourselves too seriously. Oh, it is. I made this.
You made that real?
No, I didn't. I'm a liar. I wish I could. I do have a pattern. I'm going to try. But so, Micki, tell me what your favorite thing about Academy is.
My least favorite at this time is
me.
Food because we've eaten so much. My favorite thing is definitely, like, I love people and I like to talk to everybody. So it's just like a weird mix of all of these personalities that really work good together. It's fun.
Micki's the person who loves to fly Southwest so she can sit in the middle seat.
No, I never sit in middle seat.
She does. She wants to talk to someone on the left and the right.
No.
She wants to sit in the aisle.
So like I said, I just like to talk, but whenever I'm in flight, do not make conversation. because I'm by the window, resting, sleeping, and if I'm not asleep, I'm pretending to be.
I don't fall for that 1 second because I think she's chatting the ear up on anyone on the flight. And let me tell you, she just flew next to a hairless cat.
Wasn't that the ugliest thing?
No, it had a shirt on. What was his name? Sir Charles.
No, it was something with a J. Jimmy.
Oh, really?
The cat.
Jimmy, the hairless cat.
So
she sent a picture to us. I said, "Oh, are you gonna pet it?" She said, "No."
The tail was a deal breaker. Couldn't pet it. It looked like a rat tail. Have you ever seen a tail?
Maybe. I don't know.
It's really bad.
Oh, we're going downhill fast with Micki Chapelier.
So are you ready for these next 3 days of Academy, Adam?
I am. I'm hitting the exhaustion level, but I did check-ins this morning. We were updating computers. They had to be like, Adam, stop talking to everybody and acting like you're famous.
That is why we like each other, because we're like that. We have to talk to everybody.
Well, it was like, don't act like you're famous. Can you come and update computers?
He's not famous.
And what happened to my hair, man?
He's
Gosh.
not famous.
But so I was working. I went up to my room to get my quilt for tonight, and I forgot it.
Is it up there still?
Yeah, so we still have to go up there.
Yeah.
And we eat in 30 minutes. So that's one of the. So if you are thinking about coming to Academy next year, you're gonna eat a lot of food, a lot of junk food. If you're vegetarian, you're gonna have potatoes or bread.
Salad, and that's it.
Oh, they did have salad. Carbs, lots of carbs.
Lots of carbs.
I've done it. It's doable.
But it's fun.
It is fun. I think there's something about being around that many quilters. And it's not like, oh yeah, we all quilt, but you're like that weird long armor that they all send their stuff to, but then they get together.
Somebody you really don't like. I mean, other than, like, have you really found anybody you don't like? And if
No.
so, we're being filmed.
No, I love everyone. No, I don't. I think, I don't know if you know this, I like to teach. Micki likes to teach. We like people to be happy, leave happy. And even if you don't know it, at least be confident enough to know that you might be able to do it. And already today, someone was upset because she thought she was in over her head and we haven't even started. So
That's sad.
Yeah, so I just said, no. And then I had to go to my room, so I walked up to the room with her.
So if I'm teaching, that's the one person that I'm going to focus on, just because I really want to make sure that they're happy, that they feel confident, like right along with everybody else in the class.
Yeah, and it's, there's always different levels of people here.
And we all started somewhere.
Yep. I remember when I couldn't load it right.
Oh,
now I teach you all how to load it. So I still mess up. Okay, I'm going to tell you this. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I was teaching in Elkhorn the day after I made the video about the zippers, and Pro Stitcher hit a bar when I was running it. I made these custom things for a ruler class, so I had Pro Stitcher stitching out the blocks, but I didn't think about take-up.
Okay.
And they were using super fat batting, and I tell everybody in class, always check to make sure you're not going to hit a bar, and I knew it was going to be tight. I didn't check, and the take-up had lost 3 inches because of the super puffy batting we were using, and it hit the bar, and I looked at the shop owner, I said, did I just hit the bar? So then there was someone in class who might have hit the bar twice. I'm not going to say your name. You know who you are. You're one of my favorite. But when... she ended up sending me a message on Facebook like, oh my gosh, thank you for a great class, yada, yada. And I said, oh, I need to let you know I hit the bar because we were laughing.
And I
so
think
I
another
always
thing
tell
about
everyone.
teaching is not to be too stringent. I mean, like, you have to just be loose, because if you're that uptight Nancy, it's you're going to see it. You just don't do it.
You have to have it. What do I always say? At the end of the day, it's just quilting.
Just quilting.
So,
it's just fun.
On that note, Micki, any final words of thought? Because we're gonna I have to go get that quilt before we start.
Got to go get the quilt, and you'll forget it again, and so you'll have to go back up to your room a third time. But if you're not here this year, come next year because it's fun.
Yes, you won't miss, or you will miss out.
And wear your fat pants.
Oh gosh, wear your fat pants. Yes, or an apron that you can unbutton your button under.
Is that why you have your apron on already?
Always.
You're the only one.
I think that might be. All right, everyone, we're signing out. Go follow Micki. Where can they follow you?
Micki Chap on Instagram, and don't forget, Adam's So Fun, SEWFUN. ring the bell.
Oh, I forgot to say that. Yeah. Welcome back to the channel. Like, subscribe, hit that bell icon. Follow me on social media, Adam's So Fun with an SEW everywhere. And I'll tag Micki down below, and I will tag her everywhere because you should follow her. She does vintage stuff.
I do.
I don't do vintage stuff.
Yeah. What was I working on?
She was doing handwork today.
And he's like, "Oh, Micki, that looks like you."
Handwork. I said, "Ooh, those are your colors." They
and
were
the
color of the wall, beige, her favorite color. All right, bye everyone.